Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Here's a structured set of strategies for improving customer retention rate in a contact center. Let's talk about how to strengthen service quality and resolution, one of the most powerful levers for boosting customer retention. First, boost first call resolution. Equip agents with unified CRM views, AI-powered knowledge bases, and the right escalation authority. When issues are resolved on the first contact, customer trust grows stronger. Second, balance average handle time. Agents shouldn't rush and create repeat calls, nor drag and frustrate customers. The goal is efficiency with quality. Use automation to handle after-call work so agents can focus on the customer. Third, improve service level. Meeting SLA targets, like answering 80% of calls in 0 seconds, builds confidence. Optimize workforce management and forecasting to make this happen consistently. And finally, reduce queue and wait times. Use AI-powered routing and callback options to lower perceived wait times and give customers more control over their experience. Remember, great service isn't just fast or accurate. It's efficient, empathetic, and consistent, the kind customers stay for. Let's talk about how to enhance the customer experience, a core driver of long-term retention. First, CSAT, NPS, and CES monitoring. Don't just collect feedback, act on it. Promptly follow up with detractors to address pain points and rebuild trust before they consider leaving. Second, omnichannel consistency. Whether it's voice, chat, SMS, email, or social media, customers expect a seamless, connected experience. Every channel should feel like part of the same conversation. Third, customer effort reduction. Make every interaction easy. Simplify IVR flows, empower self-service options, and remove unnecessary steps like repetitive authentication. Low effort equals higher loyalty. And finally, personalization. Use CRM history, AI insights, and sentiment data to tailor every interaction. When customers feel known and valued, they're far more likely to stay. Remember, customer experience isn't just about solving problems. It's about making every moment effortless, personal, and meaningful. Let's talk about how to empower and support agents, because great customer experiences start with great employees. First, soft skills training. Empathy, active listening, and problem-solving aren't just skills, they're relationship builders. The stronger the human connection, the higher the retention. Second, AI copilot tools. Real-time suggestions, compliance prompts, and tone guidance give agents the support they need in the moment, improving both service quality and retention outcomes. Third, continuous coaching. Microlearning modules powered by QA feedback and customer sentiment insights keep agents sharp, confident, and consistent in how they handle customers. And finally, agent well-being. Balanced workloads, recognition programs, and emotional support reduce burnout, empowering agents to deliver better, more empathetic service. Remember, when agents feel supported, customers feel valued. Empowered agents build loyal customers. Let's talk about how proactive retention initiatives can turn at-risk customers into loyal advocates. First, win-back outreach. Use predictive analytics to identify at-risk customers and reach out with personalized offers that show you value their business. Second, VIP and high CLV handling. High-value customers deserve special care. Routing them to specialized teams or priority queues ensures they receive fast, expert support. Third, loyalty programs. Reward long-tenured customers with perks, discounts, or exclusive benefits. Recognition is a powerful way to reinforce loyalty. And finally, follow-up engagement. After resolving a complaint, send a personalized check-in or thank you message. A small, genuine gesture can go a long way in strengthening trust. Remember, the best retention strategies don't wait for customers to leave. They act early, personally, and with care. Let's talk about how technology and AI can make retention smarter, faster, and more effective. First, predictive analytics for churn prevention. By flagging customers who are most likely to leave, AI allows teams to intervene early with targeted actions before churn happens. Second, real-time sentiment analysis. During live conversations, AI can detect dissatisfaction and trigger supervisor intervention in the moment, turning a potential loss into a recovery opportunity. Third, enhanced self-service. AI chatbots and IVR systems resolve routine queries quickly, giving customers faster solutions and freeing up agents for more complex issues. And finally, integrated CRM and WFM. Unified data across systems empowers agents to deliver more personalized service while helping managers forecast and plan more accurately. Remember, when technology works hand in hand with people, retention becomes proactive, not reactive. Let's talk about how business and policy improvements can directly strengthen customer retention. First, transparent billing and policies. Customers should never feel surprised by hidden fees or complex contracts. Clear, honest communication builds trust and prevents frustration that leads to churn. Second, flexible retention offers. Refunds, adjustments, or goodwill credits can help repair damaged relationships and give customers a reason to stay. Third, product and service quality assurance. Partner with other teams to fix recurring issues that repeatedly drive escalations. Preventing problems is always more powerful than just reacting to them. And finally, retention-based KPIs. Align performance scorecards not only with metrics like AHT or SL, but also with retention and customer satisfaction goals. What gets measured, gets improved. Remember, strong policies don't just support operations. They protect relationships and build loyalty. Let's talk about how a continuous feedback and improvement loop can help drive long-term customer retention. First, voice of the customer. Collect insights from surveys, complaints, and social channels. Listening to your customers is the first step to understanding what truly drives their loyalty or their frustration. Second, root cause analysis. Dig deep to understand why customers leave. Fix systemic issues like billing errors, poor routing, or knowledge gaps. Targeting the root causes creates real, lasting impact. Third, closed-loop process. Make sure every piece of negative feedback is not only addressed but also shared with the right teams. This turns customer frustration into organizational learning and action. Remember, feedback isn't just data. It's a roadmap for improvement and a powerful tool to reduce churn. In summary, improving customer retention rate isn't about one big fix. It's about a multi-layered approach that touches every part of the operation. First, fix the operational basics like first call resolution, service level, average handle time, and overall customer experience. Second, empower agents with strong soft skills and AI tools that make every interaction count. Third, proactively retain customers with targeted programs designed to build trust and loyalty. Fourth, leverage technology to predict churn early and take preventive action before it's too late. And finally, align business policies with customer-first practices that reinforce long-term relationships. When these layers work together, retention stops being a challenge and becomes a competitive advantage. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.